Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play Vita Mahjong like a pro without using hints on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, just start the game. First, scan the whole board before making a move. Don't just match the tiles. You'll see. Look for matches that open up more tiles for future moves. Clear the top and outer layer first. Tiles on the edges are easier to access and removing them makes hidden tiles visible. Focus on pattern, not individual tiles. Your eyes will naturally spot matches faster if you look at shapes and colors like bamboo sticks or circle instead of reading every tile one by one. Think a few moves ahead. Some matches may seem easy but can block other tiles. Finally, practice patience and stay calm. Playing without hints is all about observation and strategy. Don't rush. Take a moment to see all your options and then it. Scan the board, clear edges first, spot patterns, plan your moves, and stay calm. Follow these steps and you will play Vita Mahjong like a pro on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.